Alright guys, today we're going to install this custom made lace closure wig that was curled. I don't want to comb her curls out. She has a photo shoot tomorrow. I want to show you guys the wig, how it's very lightweight. It's machine wefted. You can reach in and scratch your scalp with my wig. It's a ventilated cap, so it's very breathable. You can oil your scalp, and it's very lightweight. And now we're gonna put it on her head. We are just gonna, I'm in between wigs right now, you guys, so don't mind me. And it's a nice, snug fit. How does that feel? It feels great? Yes. So I put a comb right here. We're just gonna tuck this in her braid. Lift it up. Oh, let them see. Here's her comb. So we're just gonna slide it into her braid. Just flip it in. Okay. Does that hurt?
Nope.
Oh, okay. And you feel it? It's secure?
Yeah.
Let's do this side. Flip it up. You guys see the comb is right here. And now we're going to slide it in. Does that hurt?
No.
Oh, okay. It's in there though? You feel it?
Yes.
It's snug? Make sure her part is still in the middle. Now I'm just going to cut your lace off. This little piece of lace, and we are good to go.
This is like
Like magic, right? So I'm just putting off her excess lace. Huh. Looks like a sew-in. So it gives a little color. Baby! But you guys, look at her. 2 minutes sew-in. She's good to go. Like, it's flat, just like a sew-in would be. It's flush. There you go. You can see yourself in the mirror. You like it?
Yes.
She's about to have this baby. She don't have to worry about, prepping with her hair. She literally can just throw this on, and she's gonna look like Beyonce.